Okay, so we finished our exhaust project. We have a new, newly painted intake and newly painted exhaust manifolds, new bolts, new copper gasket, and new bracket to the muffler pipe right there. So got everything painted, tightened up, and we're going to give it a shot getting it running. It's pretty cold today. And I burnt all the fuel out of the carburetor, so I may take a little extra choke. I'm in neutral. I got my spark advance up. I got my throttle down a little bit. Ignition is on. I'll give it some choke. That's a good sign. All right, that sounded pretty good. Let's go take a look. Not hearing anything too loud with the full fast. Seems like it's all coming out of the exhaust now. Which is where we want it.